Alright guys, this is the rigid toolbox, right? So I was looking at this, and instead of, it's kind of weird, this is be the top one, and it doesn't have a handle here on top, right? Can you guys see this right here? It doesn't have a handle, so when you pick up something, say you wanted to pick it up, you have to pick it up like this. I like this, right? So, what I'm gonna do is take this off and take this one off and put this one on top of this one and replace it, switch it, see how it works. Maybe you guys have tried this, or maybe you guys are wondering the same thing I am and figuring out like, man, this is kind of a weird setup. I don't want to grab my stuff and tilt it up. I want to be able to pick it up straight up. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but right here, I don't know if this is what it does, but I was playing with this. So in order to take this off, you have to take these little metal railing or whatever they are out from here, I'm guessing, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so if you got some needle nose pliers, I'm guessing you pull it out. So I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you see this? Come here. Come over here. All right, you see these things right here? You have to pull these out. So I'm guessing you grab it. Oops. Grab it. It's kind of tough. You pull this out. See how that is? I don't know if you guys can zoom into that, but yeah, you pull. I mean, it's damaged it, but not too much. Not too bad. Oops. Retake. I just playing. When you pull these things out, I was trying to pull it out earlier. So you pull those out. I mean, it's not, again, it's not damaged. It's not as I see it, right? It comes off. Pretty cool. So, we'll take this other one off. Where's this thing at? So I'm guessing we'll do the same thing here. So he goes off easy, pretty easy. So you gotta get the pliers in there really good. There you go, see? Pull those out. I don't think, I mean, even if you mix those up, they're all the same. It looks like same length, same size. But you gotta get in there. I don't know if you guys seen how I'm doing this. Get some better views. See right here? It is in there. Alright. So like I said, it is in there. I don't know if you guys know another way to get this out easier, please let me know. So you gotta get in there. That is a little difficult. Almost got it. You feel it. I'm trying to think. This thing is really in there. And again, it is tight. See, I'm trying to get this thing out. But I don't want to damage it either. Ooh. Huh. Maybe you might be able to get this out. Wow. See, if you look back here, there's a plastic. Look like it stops there for it to go, you know, not to move back and forth. Maybe if I punch a hole in it to push it out from here would work. Maybe. Could be. Or let's go one more time in here. Feeling it. See how it looks like I'm damaging a little bit? Huh. Maybe I can get these pliers right dead in there. Maybe I'll hit it with a hammer. Again, if you guys know a better way, please let me know. Or if you guys try this. If you guys tried this before, or ooh, feel it. It is a tough one. See me getting in there? Maybe. I don't know what I'll try to do. Let's get it now. Bear with me real quick. Let's try this. Come over here. Because I know that's a stopper right here. But if I hit it, maybe I can hit it out. I can see it right here. It's right there. Did it pull it out? Oh, it is going out right here. See? So I use a nail to hit that right there. I mean, I don't want to. Again, I don't want to damage it too much. It is coming out. You guys see it coming out? No? It is coming out. I can see it right here. Jeez. It's right there. Wow. That's some hairs on there. See it coming out? I think this will be a lot better if I do this the first time. coming out a little bit more. There it is. So I should have done that in the beginning. Wow, it's still in there. Hey, I'm hoping this works because my wife's gonna be mad. Here, get right here. You guys see that right there? It's right there. Just keep tapping it. Again, you don't want to keep bending this plastic. So, we'll grab different pliers. And pull the sucker out. Here it goes. Oh, it's in there. It's in there, guys. Ooh. Oops. Wow. That one was in there. Whew. It is cold out here in Vegas. And, well, not as cold, but it's out there. I don't know if you see that. A little damage. But I'm hoping this works. Never tried it before. So, let's see if this one works. Remember, this one was on this one. Was on top of here with no handle, right? This one, we just took it off here. So let's see if it works. All right. So it goes here. Wow, look at that. Looks like it fits. Look like it fit. Click that there. Well, of course it's not on, but I just wanted to see if it was open. Get the hammer. Now, let's put these back on. Now, if you look at, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one's like bullnose, rounded off. These are not. That looks beat up, like somebody's been chewing on that one. You slide them back in. Make sure they're going in right. It's going in right. Yep. Guys in here. It's in there. Let's go this last one. Oops. It is in there. Boom. You guys see that? That is not. Maybe it's this. No. Huh. So you guys see that little play? To me, it's fine. But maybe some of you guys have the pet peeve of not shutting completely, right? But hey, this worked. Now, let's try the other one. All right? So So it was this one. This one right here. Right? Closes right. Nothing bad about that one. Now, let's check this one out. Pop that in. Put these bad boys back in. Again, these were in the inside first. This came out like this. So put them back in the same way. Let's try it out. Make sure, yep, on it. That one went in a lot smoother. I don't know if you guys see this right here. These rails, it goes into these rails. Make sure it's on right. Lock it just in case. Wow, so this is okay. So something is shifted here. Isn't that in? Oh, it's not in right. Look at that. Okay, so you guys see this? It kind of missed the rail. So, I pull that back out. See this? It missed it right here. So just pull this. Oh, look, see? This one's easier. All right. Let's go back at it again. So, there it goes. There it is. So what happened was, it was missing these pockets right here. Now it seems like it's in there. Let's see. There it is. All right, let's do this last one. Make sure it's in there. Make sure it's getting there. It's going in good. And by the way, this is, I don't know where this hammer came from. This is not what I use to do to do any jobs, but this one I'm guessing. So let's see. Let's throw that in there for now. Huh, see, it does the same thing. I see right here. See these? I don't know if you guys see this right here. This little, it's hitting this. If you see it, oh no, that's not hitting it. Huh. But for me, I'm not using these. I'm taking these out because I'm putting my my drills in here. So, see, it closes, it's perfect. I'm not using these. I'm not using these in here. I'm taking these out. I'm putting my the foam. I'm putting my drills in here, batteries, a charger. So I'm not going to use these. But if you're going to use this little setup here, this is not going to work because I'm guessing these are hitting there. Now you can close it, but no, that's a little tight. So if you guys are trying to do this, switch from this one to the top of here till you can have a handle here, this is not going to work. But I'm not using these regardless. I normally don't ever use these. So check it out. It's working. So say you just need this box. Now you have a handle on it. That's pretty nice. I like it. Instead of grabbing it from here, you hear that? it's all messed up if you're not putting the foam in there. I wouldn't want my batteries, I wouldn't want my tools to be running around like that. So I would want to pick it up here, set it, close it up. Now, will it work if you put another box up here with this? Yes, because remember this box was on top of the other one that had this, so this should be fine. So say I'm switching it. All right. Just say I'm switching it. I'm putting a crate on top of it or something. And look, you can use these as handles too. Instead of missing the handle, because there's no more handles in here, these are handles right here. So, does it fit? Close? Yes, it does. Boom. Ready to go. So, guys, that did work. I switched this top to here because I wanted a handle. Here to pick my tools up. But it did work though. Hey man, so if you guys know a better way to get these out, because I was struggling a little bit, let me know in the comments. And I will come back and have this set up, show you how I set this up. The way it fits for me, the way it saves time instead of going back inside the truck. I literally am sweating, look. That was kind of tight in here. But if you guys know another way to pull these out better, quicker, easier, let me know, man. Let me know in the comments. And but yeah, it worked. It worked. I'm happy. You guys have a blessed day, man.